All right, so I got something cool here. The 60 tooth XRP blade. I told you we like them. We've had really good results with them. We've used them for a couple years. But there's another blade that I've not talked about. It's a CMT 50 tooth combination blade. I don't know why I've never thought about mounting it in a miter saw. So I wanted to actually throw them in our two identical Makita miter saws and put them head to head. Now, this DeWalt blade is already a proven blade to us in our mind in the miter saw. The CMT we've been running in our saw stop cabinet table saw for probably 6 to 8 years. It has stopped me from buying Freud's and Forster blades. I've not bought one of them in probably 5 to 6 years. And I got a stack of Freud blades that are brand new in there that this is half the price, this CMT, and it literally kicks its butt. That being said, how about we show you the results right here? And I think the biggest thing is I want to get through your mind is I don't think you need that 60 and above tooth to get good results. I'm going to show you this 50 tooth that gives you really good results, and you can use this, you know, if you wanted to be a one-stop blade, you could do some cutting and some pine, you know, cutting studs and what have you. Let's show you what we got here. So this is the DeWalt blade, the XRP. Now mind you, this is pretty new. This thing's barely been used. Let's walk over and check this CMT blade out. 50 tooth right there, 10 inch. This is a pretty nice blade, and you are going to be surprised at the results we get here pretty soon with it. So let's give it a go with this. It's a longer piece of mahogany. That's pretty good edge right there. Let me look it over. But this is as predicted. I mean, the 60 tooth DeWalt is a good blade. Alright, so that's mahogany. Mahogany is not that hard of wood to cut. Oak, yeah, stuff chips out all the time. Right off the bat, caught some right there. Let's go in here a little more. Could work with that. Yeah, it's not too bad. But like I said, that's a 60 tooth blade, and it's fairly fresh. It only has about I don't know, 40 cuts on it, 50 cuts, so it's not bad. Got a little bit of waviness down through here. Alright, so why don't we go over and check out this guy right here. Alright, so this is the CMT 50 tooth. Let's hop right over to the mahogany. This is a combination blade. They're just, I've never seen anybody else running it. We love these blades. Here, let's give it a go. Okay, right off, just running it up in speed, and we switch between these saws, so we know it's nothing saw related. This saw blade is smoother. It just sounds, it's hard to describe. It just either way, and when it cuts through the wood, it feels like there's zero resistance. But this 50 tooth is a phenomenal blade from CMT. Let's bring you over to the other side. Oh, this is a good blade, guys. This is a CMT 50 tooth blade. There's no tear out on this thing. Alright, so another thing I wanted to point out was, I mean, this thing is like buttery smooth. Love it, guys. It's an awesome blade. Alright, so there's one other blade I want to talk about, and it's this Freud 30 tooth glue line blade. I thought you didn't like Freuds, Darren. Well, this is a good blade for two reasons, and I'm going to show you the second one here in a bit. But the first one, when I was talking about dados, if I want to rip a small dado, I throw this in first because this is flat ground. These teeth are flat ground on this. And so if I'm doing anything less than 3/8, and especially if it's smaller dado, I just rip it here, just keep bumping the fence over. The second reason is right here. Let me show you the results. Here's a CMT 50 tooth. Focus there. Let me show you the wood. Phenomenal finish on that wood. Alright, so let me show you the Freud 30 tooth glue line blade. Excellent cut right there. Okay, so here's the deal. I can't see the difference. Even when I zoom in, magnifying glass, I cannot see the difference between the CMT 50 tooth and the 30 tooth glue line. I can slightly feel it. It feels a little bit smoother. Just, I mean, a hair smoother. You're not going to need it in a medium to soft wood. You're just not. You're just not going to. The CMT almost across the board is going to do it. You get into your hardwoods, that glue line may be a better option for you. But those are the two blades right there. Our miter saws right now, I just ordered a couple from Amazon. They should be showing up here like hopefully today. I ordered a couple backups and I already switched over. Due to this video right here, I've already switched both of my miter saws over to the CMT 50 tooth. The SawStop miter saw has already been running it and will continue running it. And this Freud been running the 30 tooth glue line for a few years. Actually, I bought this the day I bought the SawStop. I bought a pack of six or eight. I bought their 1040, which is their kind of their famous blade. Yeah, we'll leave that for another video. But these are my two blades right here. CMT 50 and this glue line. This does dados, buttery smooth cuts, and this will do an all around for a remodel or whatever. You could get away with using this and this being your only blade. There it is.